Yeah, good morning. Let's see current affairs and latest innovation. First of all, what do you mean by current affairs? Things that affect the social, political, economic, or cultural climate and are happening now. Now, let's see a few current affairs listed here. Uh, the month of May 2020. According to the study conducted by Center for Research on Energy and Clean Air, that is CREA, the carbon dioxide emission in India has declined the least in 4 decades. The carbon dioxide pollution in the country is mainly caused due to power and transportation sector. The decline in consumption of fossil fuels is also the main reason for the reduction in pollution. Then the second one is the World Economic Forum released a Global Energy Transition Index, that is GET Index. India has moved up to 74th rank, showing improvements in key parameters such as energy security, growth, and environmental sustainability. The report says that India has made significant improvements by expanding its energy program. This has been achieved by making bulk procurement of LED bulbs and smart meters, and also by launching programs for labeling of appliances. Then the third one, the Central Board of Direct Tax, that is CBDT, issued rupees 5204 crores as a relief fund to MSME. MSME in the sense micro, medium, and small enterprises. This sector, around 8.2 lakh small businesses have received income tax refund so far. Income tax refund will help MSME to carry on their business activities without pay cuts and layoff in COVID-19 pandemic situations. The lockdown has hit the cash flow of MSME sector. The released funds will help to increase the liquidity flow in the sector. Many workers employed in the sector have returned to their hometown. Now, even if the government has permitted resuming of works in MSMEs, the industry is to face shortage of laborers. Then the fourth one is about TVS Motor Company. Uh, it's announced the acquisition of the UK's most iconic sporting motorcycle, Norton, by acquiring certain assets of Norton Motorcycle, UK based company. The brand is known for its classic models and luxury motorcycles. TVS is excited about existing and upcoming products at Norton Motorcycles, including Commando, Dominator, and V4RR models. Then we will look into innovation. What do you mean by innovation? Innovation is the creation, development, and implementation of a new product, process, or service with the aim of improving efficiency, effectiveness, or competitive advantage. Then another way of uh, innovation in the sense is the successful of exploitation of new ideas. There are many different ways an organization can innovate. Essentially, there are three types of innovation. That is, number one, product innovation, process innovation, and business model innovation. These types of innovation can include breakthrough innovation, very rare, or incremental innovation, much more common. To stay relevant, all organizations, big or small, need to consider each of these types of innovation at same stage. Then number one is product innovation. This is the most well understood and common form of innovation and is related to either a completely new product, example Bitcoin currency, a new feature in an existing product, example the introduction of camera features in a mobile phone, or you can say the enhancement of an existing product feature, example a higher resolution version of the camera. Product innovation is most often a result of new technology or new insight about customer needs. That is sometimes even before the customer knows what these needs are. The second one, process innovation. An example of process innovation to produce the product or service is an automated assembly line for car manufacturing. This was process innovation to find ways to reduce human error while enhancing output at the same time. And another thing, an example of process innovation is how to deliver a products is the way. That is, Dell allowed clients to customize their PCs during the order stage. And banks and other organizations now deploy automated AI based chatbots to provide intelligent 24 by 7 support to their clients. Now, the third one, business model innovation. Probably the finest example of large company that has transformed its business model and in fact created a new industry is Amazon. Amazon found a new way to reach and market to its customers online without going through the conventional retail distribution route. Now let's see the the some of the innovations listed here. Uh, that is first one, Fit Air wearable personal air purifier is a healthcare device for consumer seeking to combat against air pollution and other contaminants when heading out about their daily routine. The air purification system works by cleaning of radius of 25 square feet around the user and enable three levels of airflow to match the needs of the person. The system has an attached mask that will pump fresh air to the user at all times during wear. While the main unit utilizes medical grade H1 and 1 HEPA air filters to ensure smoke, bacteria, viruses, allergens, and air pollutions are effectively captured. The Fit Air wearable personal air purifier will deliver up to 6 hours of use per charge of the internal battery pack. Then the second one is AKI, children's smartwatch concept. It has been designed as a device for kids aged 7 to 9 that will enable parents to keep a closer eye on young ones as they go about their daily routine. Three color options make it a discrete product to wear on a daily basis, while the Wi-Fi fingerprint technology keeps wearer securely protected with biometric functionality. So these are the innovations. Yes, thank you.